Right, there's a little screw. That goes. See if you can screw that on there with your fingers.
I don't think so.
No, it out.
Okay, what if we actually find some treasure?
Hope so, mate.
You might.
We're
There you
gonna
go.
need a
It's on.
shovel.
I can't get it in.
Right, now you hold it with one hand.
Yeah.
Hold that little screw, because I haven't got
We're
it.
gonna
I'll hold
need
that.
a tiny shovel.
You can turn it and
Then we're
tighten
gonna
it.
need a tiny shovel.
Go clockwise. Is that clockwise?
No, that's
That's
anti-clockwise.
clockwise.
You only do so far till I can't hold it anymore. That's about
Daddy,
right.
what if we find?
There you go.
Daddy, what if
Now
we
you want the other one on the other side.
Daddy.
A little bit at the top.
Daddy, what if we find a
There's
golden?
no screw.
That's wrong, isn't it?
That's right. That's
That's
right.
wrong, that is.
That's what it's
Daddy,
now.
what if we find some
Yeah.
Gucci shoes?
No,
Gucci.
Gucci shoes. Well, you can, it's a metal detector. So you can find Gucci shoes.
I have no idea.
How do you know about Gucci shoes anyway?
Morgan, he watches Morgan.
Morgan. Well, is that what he wears?
Yeah.
You go.
When you stop watching him, you can start watching somebody who has cheaper shoes. Yeah, here's another screw.
Daddy, nearly everyone says
Why
Gucci
would
in
you
their
just put the
videos.
metal
It's
detector
the wrong
here?
screw, isn't it?
No, the screw comes in from outside.
The metal detector
Yeah.
does. I'm just
Go
gonna
through that next bit.
For it.
and put it right here.
See the hole?
Yeah.
It's got to go through that hole.
It's just too low. Push it back out and then. It'll be
Tells how much percent it does. Tells how much percent it has.
There you go.
Ian,
But that's not in now.
it's alright.
How do we turn it on?
There you go. Now it's in.
There we go.
How do we turn it
We
on?
need this.
I don't know, mate. I'll have to look at what batteries in here you're using them in.
There's a piece of wood there blocking. Move that out the way. There you go. Now we screw this bit
Right,
in.
hold the screw.
How did he find pennies then? Look, Daddy, are those
It's the right way,
pennies?
yeah.
Daddy, there's pennies on the floor.
Oh yeah, you're better off getting the beach or somewhere with it. We'll try.
Done?
Keep going,
Well, if we don't find any
Keep going.
treasure,
keep going.
then this bad
That's
boy
it.
comes in here.
Whoa.
They have to be six.
Then the roof.
That's the
Right.
last piece.
The roof, the last piece.
Do-do-do-do-do-do.
Have a look. You're getting it on the right way. I think it's the other way, ain't it? Because there's these wooden bits. We've got a rest on there, haven't we?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
How are you meant to get that
Let's put some
stable?
Treasure rest in it.
Well, it fits over, doesn't it? Pull it out a bit wide.
Dudes, eh?
What?
You have to pull it over. Like that.
Oh, like that.
Right, them holes
You need
should
to put
line
it
up.
in.
The holes on the side should line up.
Yeah.
And then you've
Can
got
you hear that?
them again to
And
push
then
through.
screw them in again.
Oh, sounds
And
like
that's it.
And that's the bird table done.
You,
I
baby.
need the screw.
But you need one of these.
There's already a spider on it.
Yeah, we'll get rid of the spider.
Come here, boy. Get off. Get off my bird table.
Do you want me to put the screw through for you?
He's gone. He's shooed.
There you go. If you line it up, you can see the light.
Over. Ready?
No. You've got to get that through. That's it. Right, right. That needs going now. And then you can turn it now. How old are you?
Santa gave me this last year. When I got that giant Godzilla.
Right, that's it. I can't hold it anymore.
Now the side.
Right, last screw. We were missing 4 screws from somewhere, but we've got by. Don't know where they've gone.
Lined up. This is not lined up.
Have a look.
Wait, there you go, now it
Yeah,
is.
so it must be close. Wiggle it a bit. Yeah, put a bit of pressure on. There we go.
Wise.
I wonder what the nail texture will look like when I actually hold them.
What do you think you can find, mate? 1,000 quid?
Yes.
Can I have some if you find 1,000 quid?
Daddy, it's not tightening on
Well,
properly.
yeah, use the screwdriver then.
Yes, you can have 1,000 quid. You have 500.
Thanks, mate. That's very kind.
Take it on.
Daddy, what if I found more than 1,000?
Well, I'll just still have me 500, but you can keep the rest.
What about me? And
Oh
Mummy?
yeah, you can give out Ash and Annie.
What about Mummy?
Or just me and you keep the treasure.
What if I find
I'll
some?
give you all 500 and I'll look for home. And that's all for me.
Right, one more turn, mate, and you're done.
Okay.
That's it. There you go.
Now we just need a bit of bread on it.
Voila. You happy with that?
Now,
Right, where can we put it?
I don't know.
We'll put it over.
Just clean it off a bit.
Let's put it over.
Then put it in the shade. Put it there.
Oh, here. I was going to see if it goes over here.
if I find there, 5,000.
Are we going to put some bread on it?
Can put some bread on it.
Yeah. Daddy,
Yeah.
also I could try catch some birds with that.
Alright, I'll stand next to it then. You happy with that, mate?
Yeah. It's not very stable. Maybe just budget forward a little bit.
Well, we can make it a bit more stable and
Watch out, Evo.
because the floor's like on a bank there, isn't it?
There you go,
Watch
stable.
out, Evo.
There's gonna have to be a small bird to get its head in there. My head just
There's
didn't
plenty of
fit.
small birds will go in there.
Building.
You might do, mate. We'll have a look in a second.
Birds eat bread.
Yeah,
Daddy.
you might do, yeah.